Project Duke Bludini here. We're going to install the BMR TR005 tie rod.
This is actually called a tow rod that I'll be installing. So in the video I refer to it as a tie rod, but it's a tow rod.
Looks like the 18 and the 21 are to take it apart, and then the 22 is to put it back together. I'll give you a quick update. I have the jack underneath the lower control arm, just supporting, not taking any weight off at all, just in case there were, when I undo it, if something happens to move, the jack will be there. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. When I take it off, one of the things that you want to do is you're gonna measure, you're gonna adjust your new tie rod to the existing tie rod so that hopefully your alignment won't be that far off. Gonna have to have it aligned anyway, but hopefully it won't be that far off. So okay, gonna get to taking it off.
Tow rod complete.
I got it all adjusted to the length of the stock tie rod. Got the bolts put in. The impact was only useful on this bottom bolt. Both top ones you can't reach with the my impact, and I don't think any impact is really short. Torque them down to 129 foot-pounds. This is the new hardware. Shorter bolt goes on the outside, longer bolt goes on the inside. A backing plate on each side up here, and then it also has inside. It has a shim, a machine shim, and the longer one goes towards the front of the car. Shorter one goes towards the back. Mine came zip tied. One of them was broke, so I put a new zip tie in it before I started install. But you take those out, obviously, to install. I just wanted to keep them together. And yeah, looking like a nice piece. Goes in pretty easy. Bottom bolt didn't line up right away, so I could see the hole, so I screwdriver inside the hole and then pried to move it over and got that tightened in and lined up and put the bolt in. It wasn't that hard. It moved pretty easy with the screwdriver, so it's not even much prying. So I tried moving the jack up and down. That didn't move at all, so I had to push it with the screwdriver. Very easy install. If you got the stuff apart, just takes a couple minutes.